My name is Vindhuja, working as an assistant professor in East College of Engineering, Tiruvalla. Nowadays, the impact of heavy monsoon rainfall on several districts of Kerala has come as a grim reminder for the unpredictable natural disasters. In August 2018, the state of Kerala experienced its worst flooding since 1924. The devastating flood and associated landslides affected 5.4 million people and claimed over 400 lives. Kerala's unusual heavy monsoon in the past 2 years is in contrast to the long period trend of rainfall. The outcome of heavy rainfall causes flooding, and it is mainly due to the improper functioning of reservoirs or due to the insufficient capacity of reservoirs to store the flood water, or the heavy downpour of rain in places where the drainage systems are not adequately maintained, or the encroachment of canals and rivers, etc. Flood can take place naturally or due to some environmental factors that destroy the water flow can help to facilitate them. As a result of climate change, the occurrence of floods increased. Climate change is a detrimental result of deforestation which allows temperatures to increase on the surface of the earth. Floods harm the ecosystem and the habitat and have a detrimental effect. Flood cause death to both living and human beings. Destruction of land and infrastructure has a devastating effect on the impacted regions' economies. Making dams is the most practical and economical way of storing large quantities of water. This has been practiced in our countries for centuries. Later, these reservoirs were used for some other purpose such as generating hydropower and flood detention. There may be social and environmental problems due to construction of large dams. This can be minimized by proper planning, designing, construction and management of reservoirs. The other major disaster is due to heavy rainfall is the damages caused by landslides. Landslide is the downward movement of large masses of rocks, soil and organic debris. Areas with steep slopes are particularly susceptible to landslide hazards. Decrease of vegetation by droughts, fires and logging has been associated with increased risk for landslides. Both natural and human related activities can increase the risk for landslides. Flood has been considered as one of the most recurring and frequent disasters in the world. Due to recurrent prevalence, the economic loss and life damage caused by flood has put more burdens on economy than any other natural disaster. This points to the need for the government to strengthen their resilience planning. The main thrust of managing flood in different river basins was to modify the flood through specific structural measures such as reservoirs, embankments, channel improvement, town protection and river training works. Thank you.